Our topic for today is factoring perfect trinomial squares, when this time with fractions. A perfect trinomial square has the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and the factor for this is a quantity a plus b squared. Notice that a is the a squared, and the middle term of the trinomial is twice the product of a and b, and the last term. This time we are going to discuss perfect trinomial with fractions. So we have here an example: 19x squared plus 14x over 3 plus 49. So we are going to get the square root not only of the numerator but also the denominator for the fraction, the first term, and then the last term of the trinomial. We are going to get the square root. So the square root of 1x squared over 9, and the square root of 49, and the square root of 1x over 9 is 1 over 3, 1x over 3, and this is 49, so this is 7. This is 49, square root of 49 is 7. So we have here here 1x over 3 is 1, and the square on this one 49, the square root is 7, and the middle term we're going to derive the middle term. The middle term is the product, twice the product of the first term and this the last term. So twice the product is 2 times 1x over 3, and the last term is 7. So 2 times 1x over 3 times 7 is 14x over 3. So this is a perfect trinomial square, but with fractions. So the factor of 1x squared over 9 plus 14x over 3 plus 49 is equals to 1/3 the square root of 1 over 9, or 1/3 x squared is x, and 1/3, then the square root of 49 is 7. So the answer is equal to 1x over 3 plus 7 squared. Another example is 4x squared over 39 plus 10x over 21 plus 25 over 36. So we are going to get the square root of the first term and the last term of the trinomial. So we have here square root of 49, 4x squared over 49, and the square root of 25 over 36. You know that 4 is a perfect square, and also 49 with the square root of this one is 2x, and 49 is 7, and the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6. And the middle term, how come that the middle term is just 21 and 10? This must be twice the product. So the twice the product, we have 2x, 2 times 2x times 5 here, 2x is here, so twice over multiplying the denominator 7 times 6, but we can factor 6 as 3 times 2, and we have here 2 and 2 can be cancelled out as 1, 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator cancel as 1, so we have here the middle term is just 2x times 5 times over 7 times 3, so 2x times 5 is 10, and 7 times 3 is 21. So the factor of 4x squared over 49 plus 10x over 21 plus 25 over 36 is the square root of this one and this one. So the square root, the answer is 2x over 7, quantity 2x over 7 plus 5 over 6 squared is for the square root of 4x squared is 2x, and the square root of 49 is 7, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6, and we derive that this one is twice the product. 10x over 21 is twice the product of the first term, and the last term was the product of this one, 2x and 5, but because there the one of the numerator is as the factor of 2, common factor of 2, so we have also 2 here in the numerator and factor of 2 in the numerator and the denominator and the numerator, so we cancel out. So that's it.